Okay, guys, today we're in the most famous bridge. It's in Hoover Dam. Okay, we're in the Hoover Dam bridge. We're on the Hoover Dam bridge, and you can see there's a lake there. And you can, I don't think you can see these, but I can. Okay, and plus you can see these mountains right here. All this. It's a very big place, if you can see. And look, you can see that right here. And you can see trees, mountains, and all the things. Okay, anyways, thanks so much for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you love this footage. And that's all. Bye!